Hi everyone, my name is Casey. I'm an associate within the corporate finance team at Barclay Pearce Capital. Joined here today by Cameron Provost, who is the managing director of Coolabah Metals. Welcome, Cam. Great to have you here.
Thank you for having me, Casey. It's great to be here talking to you. Thank you.
I think everyone would like to know a bit about Coolabah today, so we'll just get straight into it. Coolabah Metals is an Australian metals explorer with assets in two of Australia's major mining provinces, so the Lachlan Fold Belt and Mount Isa in Queensland. Now, Cam, could you just give us your thoughts on the three existing assets within the Coolabah portfolio?
Well, thanks, Casey. Well said. So Coolabah Metals has a potential portfolio in two major mining provinces, being two projects in the Lachlan Fold Belt of New South Wales and one project in Mount Isa, Queensland. So in regards to the three projects, the first one being the Nymagee project, it has three exploration licences covering 533 square kilometres, centred approximately 5 kilometres east of the Nymagee township in the Lachlan Fold Belt. And the exciting thing about this project is it is within close proximity to known high-grade polymetallic cobalt-style deposits. And then there's our Coolabah project, which has 4 exploration licences covering an area of 1,177 square kilometres, centred around the Coolabah township, again in the Lachlan Fold Belt. And the exciting thing about this project is the previous geochemistry of this project has highlighted significant copper anomalies equivalent with the magnetic anomalies, just like other nearby copper deposits. And the Coolabah project is within close proximity to Avoca Tank, Triton and Constellation projects. And the Constellation project is a great example of why we are absolutely driven to explore our projects at Coolabah. And then there's our Gunpowder Creek project in Queensland. It has one exploration licence covering 148 square kilometres northwest of Mount Isa, which is in close proximity to world-famous resources. It does have a line of outcropping historic gold workings on a prominent fault line. The exciting thing about this project is it has a previous 5-kilometre strike length of historic gold workings, with high-grade rock chip samples of up to 32 grams a tonne of gold. So overall, our three projects, Coolabah, Nymagee and Gunpowder Creek, have 8 exploration licences in 2 major mining provinces.
Yeah, definitely. And I think that there are quite a number of other ASX-listed companies that have mines operating around Nymagee and Coolabah that you haven't mentioned. So there's a lot of work happening in the area, and especially of late, and it's all shaping up really well for Coolabah to enter the fray, I think.
Oh, it certainly is. It's really exciting times, particularly when you look at the global demand for copper, which is phenomenal in the current economic and social, environmental sustainability initiatives, and looking at the demand for gold, that growing global demand for strategic investment assets such as gold. With regards to copper, there's not enough copper mines under development globally to meet the growing demand. So when you look at it from a big picture point of view, it's certainly exciting times for us when we look at the projects that we have and our strategy for those three regions.
Yeah, and I think that it's such a good time. There's been so much underinvestment in the copper space as of late, and that coinciding with electric vehicles and the Internet of Things movement, we're really getting into a stage where we do think that there will be a really prolonged bull market for copper and the wider base metals market. So yeah, really exciting times for Coolabah, I think. Would you mind giving an overview of who's going to be leading the team going forward and exploration at the three assets?
Oh, that's a really good question. We've got a great little tight-knit team with extensive experience with regards to management and exploration, and we've got a really good track record, particularly in the diverse range of skills that we have, particularly across exploration, development, finance, acquisition, corporate governance, executive management, geological expertise, exploration expertise, and it's a really good, tight-knit team that I'm certainly really happy to be a part of.
Very, very exciting. Well, thank you for that, Cam. It was really good to get a bit of an introduction to Coolabah, and we're all very excited to watch you and the company move forward as it begins exploration at Nymagee, Gunpowder Creek and Coolabah. So thanks again, Cam. Great to have you on board.
Thanks for having me again, Casey. It was really enjoyable talking to you. And when we talk about this initiative more, it continues that excitement for the future. So thank you very much.
Thanks, Cam. For any investors out there who want to learn a bit more about Coolabah and about the IPO, feel free to click on the link in the description or contact anyone at Barclay Pearce Capital for more information.